As we move right along, boom, the next one's on the dyno. Boy, we'll be cranking them out. Anyways, 2019 Dodge Durango Citadel Edition. I think I'm saying that right. Anyways, 5.7 liter Hemi. We just did a set of long tubes, catted mid pipes. It's got an exhaust and a K&N intake. I believe that's all the mods done to this thing. Got the ECU back for being unlocked. Shout out Jared, JLT Comp. And let's get to tune it on this thing. My bad. I don't know if I discussed the Jeep or not. So we made pulls on that. No more spark blowout. That's good. However, it's running out of fuel up top. Those older Vortec cars used a booster pump with the factory fuel system stuff. It's just not adequate anymore. Probably as fuel pump's getting weak, whatever the case may be. We don't want to risk it, so we're going to upgrade the fuel pump in that thing. So you guys will see that Jeep here again soon, getting a fuel pump upgrade, and then it'll hit the rolls again to verify that our fueling issue's been fixed. But anyways, back to the Durango. So guys, it's Friday morning. We are wrapping up a super busy week, and I've got the 19 purple 5.7 on the dyno. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing tuned. In the meantime, John is over here working on HR Scats. You guys will see that in another episode, but we are getting the final fittings welded to the intercooler on that one. So let's go ahead and get to tuning on this thing. So guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Nice, quick and easy one. You know, we do a ton of these things. And this one, really, the only thing done is the long tubes as far as to the motor. So let me show you guys what this thing ended up with. 382 horsepower, 423 foot-pounds of torque. Nice good looking drive for this 5.7 Hemi. That's gonna wrap this one up, take it for a test drive, get it on back to the customer. So guys, I'll show you, this was the best pull on that Audi. So, pretty dope. So as you guys just witnessed, I put all new vibrant stuff here. We got vibrant couplers, vibrant clamps. We're just going through and replacing all the couplers and clamps in the charge pipe section on HR's car. Just being that a lot of the stuff got a little damage. Now these right here, these are already new. I just installed these. But I told him, I said, man, we're here. We might as well go ahead and replace them all. And it's all matching vibrant stuff now. So the quality is unmatched. So, you know, some of his clamps don't match, and some are 10s, some are 11s. Got a hose clamp over here. The car wasn't originally hose clamped there. We just put one there because we didn't have a clamp no longer for right there. So I just wanted to get the system up. But now that we got all of our new vibrant components in, we're going to go ahead and get those installed. So there you have it, guys. All the couplers, all the clamps, all new vibrant hoses throughout the bottom of the car, vibrant clamps. This twin turbo Scat, about ready to hit the streets, baby. But that's gonna do it for this week's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode. Peace.